everybody, we are currently at Walmart and I'm excited to share with you guys some Walmart Ibotta deals, Shopkick deals, Swagbucks deals. I am excited to share with you guys. Just want to give you guys a heads up that I will not be doing any couponing next week. We are leaving in 2 days to head to Canada. We are going to Niagara Falls, we're going to Toronto. So pretty excited to have a nice family vacation, a nice relaxing family vacation. This is the first time where I'll actually like sit back and relax, because my other vacations I'm always working with my Etsy shop. But I am taking a nice relaxing vacation. I'm going to be reading as many books as I can. I'm almost at 40 books for the year. It's crazy. But anyways, just want to give you guys a heads up with that. No couponing, no Walmart, no Walgreens. I do have some other videos that we'll be posting, but nothing of couponing. So let's go inside and go to Walmart. I do have a weekend warrior where I need 18 rebates. I don't think I'm going to hit that. And then there's that other bonus, which again, I will not hit that bonus either. But I'm pretty excited to share with you guys some great deals. So let's go inside and have some fun. Here we have the Kotex Pads for $4.19. You're going to pay $4.19. But then you can get you can submit your receipt to the Ibotta app for $1.50. It is a limit of one. Then you can also submit to your app to the Shopium app. Coupons.com is going away. I'm banned from that app, but if you guys have that offer, you can do that one or Shopium. And then you can also submit your receipt to Shopkicks, where you get 260 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.04, making this product right here just 65 cents, which is an awesome deal. Or if you don't want to do the pads deal and you want to do liners, I have so many liners it's ridiculous. But here you can get the ones that are $3.14. Now the Shopkick deal does not count, but you can submit your receipt to the Shopium app for $1, and you can submit your receipt for the Ibotta app for $1.50, making this just 64 cents. So good deal for either one. So here we have this little bottle of Febreze Gain. These are $1.97. You're gonna pay $1.97, but you can submit your receipt for $2.30 back with Ibotta, making this a 33-cent moneymaker. Now, some people will say it cannot be used for travel sizes. As long as you scan it and it works, then it works. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up, but a 33-cent moneymaker, this is perfect for us for when we go traveling. So I just wanted to share with you on that. So here's an awesome deal on Poise pads. You're gonna buy one of these ones for $5.97. You're gonna buy this one for $5.97, and then you're gonna buy one of the liners for $5.97. In total, it comes to $17.91. But we currently have some Ibotta deals. You get $2 back when you purchase one of these. This deal does end very soon. You also get $3 back when you purchase this one. And then when you buy the liners, you get $1 back. And then when you buy $15 or more, you get $5 back. So that is 4 Ibotta rebates. Now you can submit your receipt to either coupons.com, Shopium, or the Alexa app. I already used my Shopium. I'm banned from coupons, so I'm gonna submit my receipt to the Alexa app, where I'll get $1 back. Then with this one, with the small pads and liners, so the liners right here, you end up getting 285 points or kicks, which is $1.14. And then we get the large pack of the liners. So I think it's for this one, you get 510 kicks, which is $2.04. And then for the original, you get 65 kicks, which is 26 cents. So altogether, you're gonna buy all 3 of these. You'll pay $17.97. You'll get all that money back with the Ibotta, Shopkicks, and Shopium, making them $2.47 or 82 cents each, which is an awesome deal. Here is an awesome deal on soft soap body wash. So here these are $4.47. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will pay $8.94. But we currently have an Ibotta rebate with a limit of 5, so you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta. So you guys, I have my screenshots and it's easier to swipe. You can also submit your receipt to the Swagbucks app where you'll get 200 points. It is a limited 2 per month, and since I did this deal, I might do something differently. But anyways, you'll get 200 Swagbucks when you purchase the 2 of them. And then with shop kicks, depending on what scent you get 470 points or kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.88 times 2, and I'm getting to get the Maui and the Tahitian. So if you do that deal, these come out to be just 18 cents. If you're not gonna do the Swagbucks deal and you decide you wanna get 4, because there is 4 options for the Swagbucks scents if you guys want to do that, because there is the luminous oils, there's the eucalyptus, and then there's the peony. You guys can do that and end up becoming just $2.18 or $1.09 if you don't do the Swagbucks deal, which is still an awesome deal. So here's an okay deal for the Irish Spring. These are $4.97. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will end up paying $9.94. But we currently have a shop kick deal with a limit of 5, so you guys can get $1.50 back with Ibotta. And then depending on what scent you can get, these do have a limited 2, so you can get 555 points with shop kicks, which is $2.22. So I'm getting the original clean, and then I'm also getting the moisture blast, so I'll get $2.22 for each of those. These end up becoming just $2.50 or just $1.25 each, which is an awesome deal. I just realized I want to make a correction for the Irish Spring. I just found this deal on my Swagbucks deal where I get 250 points when I purchase 2 of them, so it makes both Irish Springs absolutely for free. Just want to give you guys a heads up with that. So here we got some great deals on some hair accessories. My daughter's just at that age right now where she's loving to get her hair done. So we have these clamp clips right here. These are $1.96. We currently have an Ibotta rebate. I screenshotted these. Let me find my screenshots. We currently have an Ibotta rebate where you get 35 cents back if you buy these hair clips, making them just $1.61 if you want to do it that way. Another one you could do are these little pins right here. These are $1.94, and then with Ibotta you can get 35 cents back, making them $1.59 if you guys need some bobby pins. And I know this one counts too. This is $2.60. I think you get 30 cents back with that one. And one that I actually really enjoy using is this one. This one is $2.98, but we currently have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back, making this just $1.98. Hello you guys, if you guys were born in the 80s and 90s, you know exactly what this is. You know exactly how painful it is, but it's so worth it because it's so awesome for your hair. I am actually in need for a new hairbrush, and I actually really like this one. So this one is the Conair's, but it's a gel grip, so it's got a really nice jelly handle. It is $6.97, and we currently have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back. So I'm debating on getting this, but it's still a pretty good deal, and I need a new hairbrush badly. So I'm gonna get this, making it just $5.97, which is not the greatest deal, but I still need a hairbrush. So here we have the Persil laundry detergent for $5.97. Some of you guys might have gotten the $2 off insert coupon. Thank you, Kelly, for sending me those coupons. I absolutely love Persil. But you'd use that coupon, you would pay $3.97, but then there's currently a Ibotta rebate. It is a limit of 5, but the coupon is a limit of 1. But you end up getting this for $1.97, which is an awesome, awesome deal. Another deal that I'm doing without the Ibotta rebate is the Dawn Power Wash. I love this stuff. I use this like crazy. It is $4.94, but we currently have a $2 off insert coupon. Thank you again, Kelly, for sending me that coupon. You'll end up getting this just for $2.94. I don't know if I can use the coupon for the refill, But if you can get that, it ends up becoming $1.94. I'm gonna see if I can use the coupon, but I think it's for this one, but I'm not sure. But still a great deal. So my store is sold out of this, but if you guys can find it, we have the Airwick, just the plugins, but we currently have a $2.09 off digital coupon for the Shopium app, where you can get this absolutely for free. Like I said, I'm not finding it, but if your store has it, I think these are $1.98. $1.98, you guys can get this with $2.09. That's a 11-cent profit, so awesome deal. So here we have the Fabuloso deal for $3.47. You're gonna pay $3.47, but with the Shopkicks deal you get 560 points, which is, I lost my spot, $2.24, making this bottle of floor cleaner just $1.23. So here we have the Capri Suns for $2.98. You're gonna pay $2.98, but then we have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making it $2.48. But then I just need to buy one more and I will get a $1 bonus, so I will end up getting this for $1.48, which is still a pretty great deal. Here we have the Club Crisp for $3.28. They're a rollback. We currently have a $1 rebate with Ibotta, and then when you buy it with a Cheez-It product, you also will get, sorry, my husband's messaging me, you also get $1 back, or 50 cents back, but still $1 back, making these $2.28 is a pretty decent snack. So here's a great deal on Mentos. My son loves the fruit ones, so we're gonna buy 2 of them. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you will pay $2.72 for both of them. But then you can submit your receipt for 100 points back with Swagbucks when you purchase 2, and then you also get 290 points, which is, I lost my spot. Yeah, 290 points, which is $1.16. Sorry, you guys, there's people around me everywhere. Making your final price for 2 of these just 56 cents. Awesome deal. Just want to give you guys a heads up. A lot of the school supplies are starting to go down in price. So if you need some like crayons, even for the summer, 60 cents. Here we got some for 42 cents. I know the Crayola ones, I think like the markers were $1, but my store's not marked as $1, but there's another spot that I can go check. I just have to price scan it with the app. But we have some colored pencils, $1.26. We're at the Walmart brand, 56 cents. If you guys need some school supplies, they also have folders on sale for 15 cents also. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. So, I was almost done with my Walmart shopping and my app stopped working. Like, it wasn't working. I like shut the Wi-Fi off. It says like, you know, try again. It wasn't doing anything. It still let me like type items that I was searching for. And there was a raid deal. I know a lot of people have been talking about this raid deal. I've typed in raid on my phone, I don't know how many times. Nothing. There was nothing popping up. So I go to the checkouts, I scan my items, and it said that I needed 2 more items to hit the $5 weekend warrior. I'm like, are you serious? So I sat in my car and I'm like, okay, what can I get for the weekend warrior? I'm like, I only need 2 more rebates. Well, guess what? I was scrolling and the raid finally showed up. So I didn't have my camera because I just ran right into the store. But this was $18.98. You're going to pay $18.98. But then there is a $10 Ibotta rebate, and there is a $10 rebate that you can submit your receipt to either coupons.com, Shopium, or the Alexa app. So I did Shopium. So I got $10 back with this. This ends up becoming a $1.02 moneymaker. So if you guys definitely need the Raid Essentials product. Now this was located in the cleaning section. Like my store has all the cleaning section, and then there's like a bug repellent. Not in the lawn and garden, but in the cleaning section there's a bug area. So that is a great little moneymaker if you want to get that. And then I'm like, okay, I went and looked for this beef sticks. My store has 2 different like candy sections, and I was trying to find the Chomps beef sticks, and I couldn't find it in the one section when I walked back in the store. So I'm like, I'm gonna get a Lunchable because it's lunchtime, And so this is just something I just got. This was $1.82. There's a 20-cent Ibotta rebate for it, making it $1.62. So I just got this just so I could have a little snack. So that's what I got. But then back when I got to the other side of the register, I ended up finding the Chomps beef stick. Now my store had these for $2.52. You would pay $2.52 for it, but then this is an Ibotta freebie, so you get $2.48 back, making this just 4 cents for this. So those 3 items had me get my 20 or my 18 rebates to get my $5 bonus. I'm like, I had to do that. I mean, I couldn't believe how many times I typed in RAID on the Ibotta app and I could not find it. And then like my phone had problems. I go to the car and then it shows up. I'm like, really, Ibotta? You're gonna screw me over like that? So yeah, so that was everything that I got. I did end up getting 18 rebates, so I got the $5 weekend wear. And then I did mention that the Irish Spring, that 250 points did pop up for the swag bucks. It wasn't there, I swear it wasn't there this morning when I was searching for it, but then it showed up and I'm like, sweet. So my total for everything came out to be $99.48. I ended up getting $39.68 back with Ibotta. That was with both transactions. With Shopkicks, I received 4,030 points, which is $16.12. With Shopium, I did submit my receipt for the Raid for the $10 and then $1 for the Kotex, so I got $11 from Shopium. I did submit my receipt for the Alexa app for the Poise, so that was $1. With Swagbucks, I received 557 points, which is $5.57. With Fetch Rewards, I received like 107 points, which is like 10 cents. I did finish the Weekend Warrior, so I had the 18 rebates, so I got the $5 bonus because I'm not going to Walgreens this weekend. So I'm like, I'm only 2 away. I had to go get it. And then I ended up getting that $1 bonus for the Capri Sun. So that was everything that I got. My grand total for everything came to be $20.01. I got 23 items, 18 rebates, 23 items. Everything came out to be $1.14 each. I ended up saving $83.47. So I'm pretty excited with everything that I got. Considering 20 bucks for all that stuff when this thing right here is 20 bucks. But I did need a new hairbrush, so I'm pretty excited with the hairbrush. I could have gotten something a little bit cheaper, but I did like that little squishy handle. I mean, it's got a good squish handle to it. And then the hair accessories were a great deal also. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I really want to get the Nature's Bounty, the melatonin, but my store has been sold out for the last 2 weeks I've been there. But there's a great deal where it's buy one, get one free, but my store is sold out. And then I was checking out the makeup at my store, and they don't have any Revlon on clearance. It's all NYX and L'Oreal. So I didn't have any rebates for that, and my whole clearance aisle was completely like empty. It's crazy how empty it was. But that was everything that I got. I wanted to get the free Airwick plug-in, but my store was sold out. I wanted to get the Glade deal again. I've been doing that for the last couple of deals, but my store was sold out. And then definitely check out school supplies. I will share with you guys when the deals start coming for school supplies. I'll start sharing with you guys on that because you can't go wrong with saving money on school supplies. But again, make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up if you guys enjoy that. Again, no Walmart haul next week. I am going to enjoy my life and then go on a break from couponing. It'll be weird, but I hope you guys enjoy it too. So you guys have a nice week, a weekend, Father's Day weekend, and I'll see you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.